Where to find the spatial audio settings and how to actually activate it. This is the OnePlus 12R, the same for the OnePlus 12. So two things to keep in mind. One, the spatial audio does not have a quick toggle at the moment, as this is Android 14 and Oxygen OS 14. And on top of that, if you are using the spatial audio, you cannot use Dolby Atmos. So keep that in mind. But to find this setting here, tap here. Then from here, go down until you see sounds and vibration right there. From this section here now, just keep going down until you see sound effects, which is this right here, and you'll see spatial audio, okay? When you go here now, if it's off, you'll set it to fix, and if you have a compatible earbuds with the head tracking, which I believe would be more of those of the OnePlus Buds 2 and 3 with those little motion tracking sensors in the earbuds. When they're in your ears, it can detect your movement, okay? So this is only going to make a difference depending on the earbuds that you have. And again, if you have this on now and you want to go to Dolby Atmos here, you cannot use it, okay? So if I come back here now and I switch it to off, then I go back to Dolby Atmos, I can use that. And my advice to you is if you don't have a actual compatible earbuds for the spatial audio feature, just stick with the Dolby Atmos. You're better off using that, okay? And again, you must have a connected Bluetooth device. So again, the earbuds are actually currently connected to it for you to get access to Dolby Atmos, the spatial sound, and even the Holo audio as well. Like and sub.